Machiegni, Gavana mar kaunti ma Nandi Stephen Asang owacho ni midhiero mathoth pod okwako okumba mar thieth mano mar SHA e counties, gino makoro kelo ng'ikruok mathoth e chenro mag thieth e thoth ute thieth mayudore e counties. Sang wacho ni kata odoko ni nitiere fung'ruok matin e okumba no mar SHA, counties pod kale midhiero mathoth, kendo koro duol mar governors onego twag kod od bura mamalo kendo neno kata yudo yo mar tieko chuth midhiero makamago.
Some of the facilities that are not able to sustain themselves, it is what we are providing resources in the county budget to support those facilities. So we really want to encourage that every facility that generates, they are able to plow the resources, because it actually means there is demand for those services in those facilities. Then the county budget can just supplement some of those facilities that are not able to run. And in any case, in fact, if you are to be honest, you are unlikely to have a facility that has surplus, because even in a facility that looks like they are doing very well, the county is still paying for the staff, is still paying for the medical, the human resource. Therefore, really, you can't say that there is a facility that is actually generating surplus to give to another facility. We backstop that with the county budget. But there is huge improvement from what we had previously. So if you look at what was happening under NHIF and what is happening under SHA, there is marked significant improvement. However, there is still some delay, and it's part of what I think we have also raised with the health committee, that the process of making claims in the setup of county facilities, there is still a challenge. A lot of the processes are automated. The process of making those claims are automated. When you go to level 3